And like with any modern car, oh no, the hood is open. It's saying that the hood is open. I don't want the hood to fly off. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Gilson Vergara with Do My Life. Today I'm gonna try something new. I just bought a new car for Ruby. I'll be driving it for a while until she gets her license. But I'm gonna review the car that I purchased, and I'm going to go to the dealership where I bought it because I worked out a deal where I can review some of the cars there, because you know I am, if you guys don't know, I'm like a motorhead. I love motorcycles, anything on wheels, cars. So that'll be a thing that I do when I reformat pretty much the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been trying to wait for a few things. I'm trying some new things right now. So basically going forward, I'm going to be focusing on business talks with some of my business friends and anyone who runs businesses that I can just pick their brain on. 2, reviews for pretty much anything, cars, technology, whatever, and then my regular vlogs. But we'll see what happens, because I'm after 3 years of running this channel, I'm starting to hone in things that are working for the channel. I want to grow the channel, and just to see, how much potential I can squeeze out of Do My Life. Pretty much that's it. So we're gonna head to the dealership, and I'll take you there for the ride. So I'm going to the dealership right now. I'm gonna try to work out a deal with the dealership manager to potentially make decals for them, so that'll be a good situation if I can pull that one off. Other than that, let me get some B-roll. Let me get some B-roll of the actual dealership. My nephews, MJ, Anthony Scott. My battery's about to die. We are here in the dealership. The place is Auto Gallery Imports here in Westbury. I'm gonna put the address somewhere here, but definitely they got a good fleet of luxury vehicles, Beamers, Benz, Lexus. As you can see, I'm gonna let it speak for itself. I'm gonna do a quick review of the vehicle I just purchased, and I really like the vibe here. Really good people here. But check that out. Land Rovers, Range Rovers. Cars are clean. They're pretty much off lease. And let me change the battery out real quick. Hey guys, it's a bit hot out here. It's like 90 something degrees, man. But definitely, I didn't want to purchase. This is the vehicle I wanted to purchase at first. It's a C450 AMG package. It just happened that the math didn't work out. Wasn't in my budget, so I settled for the E350. So this is going to be a very short review because I am sweating like a pig. I've been researching for like a year and a half since I first came back to America on what vehicle to purchase. In my journey of doing this, I kind of struck a deal with the dealership. I would review some of the cars. What more of an better opportunity would be, like, if you're looking to review a car and then actually test driving them potentially and being in them, sitting inside them, knowing the feel of it. What do you think about this car, MJ?
It's very nice, obviously.
So what else do you have to say about it?
It's very comfortable.
How does it feel? Because you're 6 feet.
Yeah, it's very comfortable, especially for how tall I am.
How about in the back seat?
Yeah.
Once again, I am at Auto Gallery Imports. If you're looking to get some cars, more info, or you need help looking for a car if you're in the area, hit me up. I'm gonna put my number down here, my personal number. You can hit me up, text me, call me. Then I can even, if the day is right, I can even go with you there and hit you up with the salespeople and all that stuff, and then help you with that along that journey. I typically have Sundays off, Saturdays and Sundays off. They're closed on Saturdays. If I can help you in any way, I'm gonna put my email down here as well as my phone number. If you have any questions, just hit me up, and then we'll take it from there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, this particular video, I'm looking to get at least 50 thumbs up on this video. So and then this might be my gig for a while. On top of talking business with other people and all my friends from the Philippines and any other business people here, I want to start reviewing more things like cars. It gives me a reason to go out the house. So being that I love cars, that might be my thing. Okay, so this is more of an informal vlog review of this car, because the specs and everything, you can always find those in other videos. But I'm gonna just give you what I feel about this emotionally and how I feel about riding in the car and things like that. This is more of a personal feeling type of vlog review, whatever. So obviously right now it's very hot in the vehicle. Okay, all the windows are rolled up. It's 90 something degrees outside, and my nephew's in there with me. How do you feel, MJ?
Hot.
Okay, we're gonna roll down the windows. Man, I'm sweating like crazy, man. All windows are automatic. I guess with all luxury cars, all windows are automatic. My Infiniti had automatic windows. The car is a V6, normally aspirated, no turbos or anything like that. If you saw the video of us going in, there was an E63 AMG. I'm gonna put it like the video here. Amazing car. I love clean interiors, like with everything else. I've always loved sedans. I'm not really an SUV type of guy. That's my wife. Generally speaking, the interior of this car is super clean, aesthetically amazing. Good mix of wood grain, stainless. Is that stainless steel or aluminum? Don't know. This situation right here, pretty intuitive, very simple. You put your hand right there. You can go left, you can go right. So as you can see, I'm gonna be moving it. I'm gonna put a PMP right there somewhere. Going up avails you of all the things that the car can offer as far as customization. Going down, band, information, sound. What else? This is super clean for me. I like this right here. This is self-explanatory. I don't know why they still have a disc here. This is probably for the Navi. And heated seats. This is for the shade in the back there. This is for this eco mode, and seats for the passenger. This is dual zone. So as you can see, I'm gonna turn it on. Dual zone AC. So if I put zone, he or she can have their own zone right here. If I turn it off, it'll equal out. Those are self-explanatory. Sometimes I feel when you're watching these car reviews, comment down below, do you really geek out on all those specs? I don't know, not so much me, man, as long as it's dependable. Concerning this car especially, a lot of the taxis in Germany, Europe, used E-classes. It's like the Toyota Camry basically, right? So the feel of the leather, this might be, I don't know if this is pleather or leather, feels very good to me. Whoever owned this car before took care of it very well. As you can see, the back pretty roomy. Once again, I like clean. Now other than that, the car moves very well. It's super clean when it's super smooth when it's moving. I believe this is a 7-speed automatic. I could be wrong, but it's a 7-speed automatic. And then everybody knows already with Benzes, you can adjust the seats here, memory seats right there. As you can see, there's another adjustment underneath right here for lumbar. The trunk release, which is pretty it's pretty simple for me, is right over there. Instead of reaching underneath here for any trunk release, it's right there for the trunk release. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's right up in there. Other than that, this is the cockpit view of the car. Let me just fix this right here. So this is a cockpit view of the car. For me, very beautiful cockpit. You have all your gauges right there. You're good. This was kind of confusing at first with the shifting and everything like that. Wipers are right here, right there. Your adjustment for the, I don't know if you can see right there, I'm gonna put it in. Your adjustment for the wheel to go in and out, up and down, telescopically is right here. And this is the cruise control. And then you have your paddle shifters, which is I think paddle shifters are common in most cars now. One thing I do like about this car is the pedals. They're metal. They're brushed aluminum, I believe, with like a little rubber knobs to, I guess, for traction. I'll show you a bit of that real quick. Super cool. I like that. That's your parking brake. That is the gas, and obviously the brake. Very cool. I had to buy some floor mats because the interior carpet is tan. I don't like having a dirty ride, so that was a very good buy, very good investment on my end here, I believe. So as you can see, everybody, this is the engine. This is a 3.5 V6. Bag in there. So I'm gonna go take this ride. I'm gonna take this car on a small test drive, let you see how it drives and everything, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about driving the vehicle, and maybe something that you would want in the near future. And comment down below what you guys think. So we're gonna go out. We're just gonna go around the block real quick. Put your seatbelt on, MJ. Hold on, we're having a mishap. I don't think I closed the hood properly. Let me fix this issue. Okay, that would have been bad. Pick up some air and then the hood would have popped in my face. Ruby would have been upset. This is really Ruby's car. I do like the seatbelt. Seatbelts like tighten up automatically. So we're gonna go. This is just pure emotion how I'm gonna be driving this vehicle. So obviously with most cars, everybody's up to date with safety, right? Airbags and all. You can always look at those videos with all those types of features and whatever. I'll put the I'm gonna put the what do you call this? The original price label. I don't know what you call that in American. I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. But basically, the car, I like the car. Drives pretty smooth. 3.5 V6, I believe, 7-speed. Should be very smooth. And the pickup is very, very good. Felt that, MJ? Almost instant. Very, very good. I like it. The car right now has 64,000 miles, so it's up there, I believe. I mean, 64,000 miles. I'm used to running cars with like over 100,000 miles, and they still run well, only because of my habit of taking care of the car, not beating on the car, making sure it gets maintained when I need to maintain it. Ooh, look at that Maserati and that Porsche. Look at that. Is that a Maserati? It's a Maserati and a, what is that, MJ? Maserati? Very nice. I think that's a Nissan next to it. But look at that Maserati. Very nice. Super nice. Okay, let's go for a nice pull right here. So this is 2,000 RPM. I'm gonna take it to 3,000. Right there. You can hear the engine noise. Very small engine noise. You don't really hear it. That's coming down a little bit. I'm gonna check later on in the video how this turns out. But I kind of hear the noise outside, but not crazy, right? You know, but it's manageable for me for me. So we're just gonna go up here. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna make a quick U-turn somewhere around here. But the feel of driving this vehicle, super for me. It's tight. You know, if I turn left, it's super. What's the word I'm looking for? It reacts very quickly. I mean, to me, it does. Right, the reaction of the word is it has escaped my brain. I'm going to make a quick U-turn here. I would recommend this particular car to anyone because it's mid-range. It's not as small as the C and not as big as the S. Not as big as the S, but right in the middle there. You know, middle of the road, and that's kind of me anyway. Middle of the road type guy, regular guy. Yes, that's the word, responsive. Like I said before, the steering wheel is super responsive. It goes where I want to go, points in the direction where I want to go, it's there. So at the moment right now, we're gonna go back to the dealership. Every Sunday, I think I'm going to come up here, review 2 or 3 cars real quick, 10-minute reviews, because I don't think anybody has 45 minutes to look at a freaking video about a car unless you want to geek out about it, which is totally fine. That's just not me. I want to, you know, I just want to I want to portray a different point of view as far as how it makes me feel, and I feel good driving this car, man. I feel nice. I feel elegant in this car right now. You know, it's nice. But my nephew, I'm not touching his elbow when I'm on my middle console here. I like the whip, man. This is really nice. So we're gonna go back real quick, and then pretty much it. So once again, give me some thumbs up on this video, at least 50, right? I'm shooting for 100, but give me 50. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. So, peace. Bye.
Good afternoon, people. I'm James MacArthur, luxury specialist brand advisor at Auto Gallery Imports in Westbury. Like he said, my client, we got him into an E350 Mercedes, that is, white with the oyster interior. Fire! So if you need any exotic vehicle, Auto Gallery is the place to be. Talk to you soon.
Thank you for your time. And if you haven't, once again, subscribe, like, comment down below. And then what car would you like me to review next?